It was a busy day in court today. It appears that all the minority MPs were here in the court. The first case was the Gyakye Quayson, the Asin North MP, and it was about his criminal trial. In fact, when the case started, his lawyer, Gyakye went ahead to make the application of stay of proceedings pending an appeal they have made before the Court of Appeal. Lawyer for Gyakye Quayson, Gyakye stated that the court erred in the exercise of its discretionary powers, contrary to what Article 296 indicates. Again, he made the point that the comment made by the President at Asin Breku, coupled with the comment by the Attorney General, both in court and outside the court, were prejudicial. He further stated that the court's ruling for the case to be tried on a day-to-day basis is an affront to the law. Over a minute of the comments of the President on tape was requested to be played. A few seconds into the playing of the comment, the Attorney General intervened and said the entire tape should rather be played to situate the President's comments in the proper context. The Attorney General, Gyakye Quayson, insisted the comment made by himself and that of the President were not to prejudge the matter. According to him, the comment they sought to make was that Adamu Dramani Sakandi's case is not different from the Gyakye Quayson's case. Director Legal Affairs of the NDC, Abraham Amalba, has been addressing the media after the court proceedings.
We complain about the daily trial. It doesn't matter whether before the elections or after the elections. It's about the daily trial. We have even said that there's no criminal in this country, or even an accused person in this country, who has been tried day to day. We are yet to see that. And so we indicated that it is going to be against Article 19, which talks about fair trial, and Article 296, which has to do with proper discretion. And we are saying that the judge didn't exercise her discretion properly. And for that matter, if she continues without giving hearing to our plea, it will prejudice the case. And it will also mean that the comments made by the President and the Attorney General will be carried out by her. It shouldn't be that when the ordinary Ghanaian is watching from afar, would say that, oh, what this judge is doing is in furtherance of what the President and the Attorney General has said already. It is also important that we ensure that fair trial is given, not only in this case, but in subsequent cases. We can only be right. I want any of you here to show me which accused person from number one through to the vigilante guys who attacked the same judge, through to all the cases, in which case have you found that the case is heard day to day?
The judge, after listening to the counsel for the accused and the state, adjourned its ruling to the 11th of July 2023. Communications Officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, who spoke on behalf of the NDC majority MPs, also addressed the media after the case involving the minority leader, Kyesel Atuforsen, and Collins Dauda was adjourned to the 27th of July 2023. He said the country currently does not have a Minister of Justice. The days of the Attorney General, Gyakye Quayson, are numbered.
And so what you have seen here today is in line with the announcement that was made by the leadership of the Minority Caucus, that henceforth they will be boycotting proceedings in the House anytime any of their colleagues will have to appear before the courts. But one thing is clear in all these things. In all these things, what is clear is that Ghana today does not have a Minister of Justice. We may have an Attorney General who is the principal legal advisor to the President, but we don't have a Minister of Justice, because the man who bears that title has demonstrated time and again that he doesn't deserve that title. He doesn't understand the responsibilities that come with that title. He's not interested in doing justice. He's not interested in a fair trial. He's only interested in abusing his prosecutorial powers, in going after political opponents. One thing is certain, that the day of reckoning, the day of accountability for Gyakye Quayson is coming. Thank you. And if that day will not come after the 2024 elections, that day will come soon, because very soon we will be holding his feet to the fire of accountability. His conduct as Attorney General, particularly in relation to his advice and recommendations on matters of some matters of judgment debts, have come to our attention. And in the coming days, we will be addressing you in the media and by extension the good people of this country.
So will the minority members of parliament come back to court on the 11th and the 27th of July 2023 to solidarize with their colleagues who are facing various charges in court? Time will tell. Reporting from the court complex, my name is Gyakye Quayson for Joy News.